Next theorem on circle. Start. Next topic, cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is called cyclic. A quadrilateral is called cyclic if its all vertices lies on a circle. So a quadrilateral is called cyclic if its all vertices lies on a circle. Now the theorem based on it. Statement: the sum of either pairs of opposite angles, the sum of either pairs of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. The sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree, or we can say opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. 9th का मॉड्यूल पढ़ा है मैथमेटिक्स का, सर के पास से क्या given a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, center of a circle, a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. To prove angle DCB plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree and angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Construction. Join OD and OB. Join OD and angle DOB is equal to twice of angle DCB. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double. Then the angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. Let this be first equation. Similarly, reflex angle DOB is equal to twice of angle DAB. Again by the same property. Let this be second equation. Now add equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. So angle DOB plus reflex angle DOB, this is equal to twice of angle DCB plus twice of angle DAB. Now taking common 2, now angle DOB plus reflex of angle D, this will be equal to 360 degree. So 360 degree is equal to twice, 2 is common, so it will become twice of DCB plus angle DAB. Therefore, angle DCB plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree. Sum of opposite pairs of angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now, in quadrilateral ABCD, in quadrilateral ABCD, angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle CDA plus angle DAB, this is equal to 360 degree. Now it is given angle DCB and angle DAB is equal to 180 degree. So therefore we can say angle ABC plus angle CDA plus 180 degree, this is equal to 360 degree. So angle ABC plus angle CDA is equal to 360 minus 180 degree equal to 180 degree. So this is the proof that the sum of either pairs of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now some theorems based on it, some problems based on it. In figure, P is the center of a circle. P is the center of a circle. Prove that angle XPZ, this is equal to twice of angle XZY plus angle YXZ. Now figure is given, circle X, Y, Z, and P is the center of the circle. So we have to prove angle XPZ equal to twice of angle XZY plus angle YXZ. Join XZ and YP. Now angle XPY, this is equal to twice of angle XZY. Angle subtended by an arc. Angle subtended by an arc at the center. At the center is double. Then the angle subtended is double. Then the angle subtended by it. Angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. On the remaining part of the circle. Let this be equation number 1. Similarly, angle YPZ, this is equal to twice of angle YXZ. YXZ. Again by the same theorem, let be equation number 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. Angle XPY plus angle YPZ, this is equal to twice angle XZY plus angle YXZ. Now angle XPY plus angle YPZ, this will be equal to angle XPZ. Twice is 2 is common, so twice of angle XZY plus angle YXZ. Now this we have to prove. Angle XPZ equal to twice of angle XZY plus twice angle YXZ. Next problem. In figure, P is any point. P is any point on the chord BC. On the chord BC of a circle, such that AB equal to AP. AB equal to AP. Prove that CP equal to CQ. CP equal to CQ. Now it is given that AB equal to AP. AB equal to AP. Therefore, angle ABP, this is equal to angle APB, because AB equal to AP. But angle ABC, this is equal to angle AQC. Angle in the same segment of the circle, angles in the same segment of circles are equal. So angle ABC is equal to angle AQC. Therefore, let this be equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation 1 and equation 2, equation first and equation 2, angle APB is equal to angle AQC. Angle APB equal to angle AQC. Now angle APB is equal to angle QPC, but angle APB is equal to angle QPC, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle AQC is equal to angle QPC. AQC is equal to angle QPC. By this, we can say that CP equal to CQ. Side opposite to the equal angles are equal. Next problem. In a circle with center O, chords AB and CD, AB and CD intersects inside the circumference at E. Inside the circumference at E. Prove that angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to twice of angle AEC. Solution. In a circle with center O, chord, this is chord AB, this is CD. Now O is the center of the circle. Now join AOC and angle B and BOD and join AD. Now angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ADC. Angle subtended at the center. Angle subtended at the center. Angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ADC. So angle subtended at the center is double than the angle subtended by 8 on the remaining part of the circle. On the remaining part of circle. Let me, this is equation number 1. So angle AOC is equal to twice of angle ADC. Similarly, angle BOD is equal to twice of angle BAD. Again by the same theorem, equation number 2. Now add equation 1 and equation 2 angle AOC plus angle BOD, this is equal to twice angle ADC plus angle BAD. Angle ADC plus angle BAD. Now in triangle AED, angle AEC, this is equal to angle ADC plus angle BAD by exterior angle property of triangle, by exterior angle property of triangle. Therefore angle AOC plus angle BOD, this is equal to twice of angle AEC. Next problem. In figure, AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is the diameter of circle. CD is a chord. CD is a chord equal to the radius of the circle, equal to the radius of the circle. AC and BD when extended intersect at point E. Prove that angle AEB is equal to 60 degree. AB is the chord of a circle, O is the center, and this is CD. Now CD is equal to radius of the circle. So these three sides are equal. These intersect at E. Now we have to prove angle AEB is equal to 60 degree. Now triangle COD is an equilateral triangle. Therefore angle COD is equal to 60 degree. Because angle CD is equal to radius of the circle, so CD is equal to OC is equal to OD. Now join angle COD is equal to twice of angle CAD. Angle subtended at the center is double than angle subtended by it on the remaining part of the circle. Now angle COD is equal to 60 degree. Therefore twice of angle CAD is equal to 60 degree. So angle CAD is equal to 30 degree. Angle CAD is equal to 30 degree. Now in triangle ADE, angle ADE equal to 90 degree. Angle ADE is equal to 90 degree because angle ADB, angle in a semicircle, is a right angle. Last line लिखने अंदर. Now angle ADE plus angle DAE plus angle AED is equal to 180 degree. Angle AD is 90 degree. Angle DAE, this is 30 degree. So angle AED can also be written as angle AEB. This is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle AEB, this is equal to 180 minus 120 degree equal to 60 degree.